I almost have evil scary. I almost have the evil scary. Wait lang. Ayun, nagpapatay ito. Ako na! Kia. Yun. Oh my, he's so close, bruh. Go.
Bakit sa pwede mag-isip ko ng cellphone?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay.
Go. He's so close. Yay! I already got him. He was scary.
Madi. Hindi nga yun eh. Oh, mali naman to eh. Baka 95095 lang. Anong password niya?
Hindi ko alam.
Anong password?